It's almost done in this one container, guys. I did it since 7 o'clock, and I found a lot of I found a lot of the some are like gold and sterling, and then some are like have a vintage name, so that it's have value, and some is like the earrings that I wanted. And then right here, guys, like what you call this, um this one here are just like $3 $4 or $2 or 7, or and a bunch of it. And supposed to be I'm gonna do the the more a little bit valuable one, but I just wanna finish this. So tomorrow, guys, tomorrow is gonna be, it's already like probably now is Friday now, but anyway, cause Saturday morning, guys, we go play market, and so there's a lot of stuff to because tomorrow I wanna wake up at early in the morning so that I can finish a lot of stuff. And because some of the sticker, the one my for sale item back then, supposed to be my yard sale, but it did not work before, so now it's gonna have the appealing to sell stuff. And I have more stuff, guys, and there's a lot of antique, like screw back earrings and stuff. And I found some nice one, and some just cheaper. I just make it cheaper. I'm sure you can sell more at eBay and stuff, but I just selling this at flea market. But I have more jewelry, like vintage jewelry to po put um put. But I wanna have a, what you call this, yard sale too, so that I can keep selling and selling. Cause I wanna like I wanna clean up the basement, guys, so that not so much, so much of boxes, so that I can make money also, and I can flip. So sometimes you don't have like energy and stuff. So now, even though like I got nervous, guys, like I admit it, like you get nervous at flea market. I'm used to, in Philippines, my mom, I grew up selling fruits and sliced vegetable. No, sliced fruits, and we sell some ginamos or amahong, or barbecue some banana cue, with margarine and stuff, sugar. Anyway, and this is just the beginning, and I'm just excited, so that I've been procrastinating for many years and stuff. But sometimes you listen to God, like what's his like he put people, like because like how many days, like I asked, like, God, when I can, I want to start selling stuff, I want to clean up the house, I want to sell all the things that I bought back then. And I know, like sometimes you don't have money, but I know I don't have money because I keep buying stuff. But I always think about doubling the money and stuff, but I just don't have energy and stuff. And now I need to get up, and I'm sure, yeah, once you get some money and stuff, you'll be more energy. So um that's okay, because as long as you work hard, and you do your best to be a good person, and just sometimes we have stuff, but if we don't sell it, we don't have money sometimes, and I know that. And sometimes the situation and stuff are not the same, our experiences in life are not the same. And sometimes when we lose some loved one, and it takes it's not like in one day, like, or 1 year, even 6 years now, like I I still cry at night and stuff, but I know that, like, we have different experience in life, and but I just want to share, like, I'm not perfect either, but I just want to share, like, just work on yourself and never give up, and whoever listen, like, also go through, because I know the hard times, sometimes when, like, you have stuff but you cannot sell it, nobody buy it yet, and takes a while, or you don't have energy, and but just keep praying to God and don't give up, and thank you guys. I'm here, I'm almost gonna go to bed because I'm just finishing this one, and then this one, and I found a lot of good one too that I'm just gonna go through it. That's more money. And this one is sterling silver, and I need to rinse it out in the bathroom because I wanna wear this. And every time I have earrings, guys, I have this like, it's getting small now, but I need to buy more. Like, I like the sticker. But I found a lot of, like, sometimes there's a gold or sterling silver in here too. Like, um like a cover for the thing. So sometimes I found this tiny, I have this tiny, like, pendant and stuff. This one, I like this little world, and there's like a half moon and star. I wanna find next time and put in the, you know I have some, this is like a cute pendant. Oh, is this pendant or just round ball? I forgot, guys. Where's, I thought this is pendant. What? Never mind, guys. It's not. I just put that in the decor, tiny decor. But anyway, and I have this plain paper, and I sometimes, if I have like a important 14 karat gold, I write down in this one. I need to do my nails again because I've been ripping a lot of stickers and stuff in the basement, guys. I don't like to bring to play market, it's so dusty and stuff. I like to be like clean and organized in it, and not to be perfect, but just like, sometimes it takes, as long as you keep doing it, just, wiping and stuff, and then they take off, because sometimes I need to find stuff to, I have stuff to sell, but it takes a while to put in the box, or, because I put sticker back then, my other for sale stuff, and now almost done the one removing the sticker. I'm just gonna price it, memorize the, I learn a little bit of the pricing. I have like silver plate and other antique vintage stuff, and so much stuff to sell, guys. And I just mix with the because this woman said that the tips is like, you also have different for sale stuff like toys, handbag. I need to find my sandals that I need to sell in the flea market, and I just make it cheap and stuff. I just wanna my money back, and then and also, that's why she said, like, you need to have canopy, so that's why we got a canopy at Walmart, and that one is white color, and the blue one, this is a slanted legs, like four legs but slanted, and the white one, it's more money, like $79, I think, the white one, 10 by 10 canopy. And then, so that one is a straight leg, and it's easy to put into and stuff, but we just tried out outside, and it worked, and then we pulled it, and I put in the van. We're not gonna bring what you call this, um the one extra thing for you hold in your van. Hey guys, my mind are not thinking good. Anyway, we just bring a van, so because the parking space over there are limited, and only 20 vendors, including, I think, the food people, we just gonna buy a hot dog or some food at the vendors. And we only have like, small limited area. So oh my gosh, we have a lot to do tomorrow, guys. I have my table. We still have a lot of stuff, but that's why I wanna wake up early tomorrow. But it's night time already, guys, and I still just wanna finish this. I know I'm not even done with this other one, two, three. That's okay because I finished the small one. Then I have bunch of necklace yet, so I don't know if I can sell the other, but I need to go to the supposed to be just selling it that way, but I did not go through long time ago much, like I need to go through the second time, and then you find sometimes it's tiny, sometimes the sterling silver, guys, like it's right here and it's so tiny and something like that. So you need to have sometimes, so there's a lot of this one is not yet done, but like what I mean, sometimes you watch out for like names and stuff, and sometimes they're really, I found like Giovanni and some Caro or something, and I I keep some heart, because I bought this tin can and there's a heart shape, so I'm saving some of the heart shape so that I can wear some someday. So okay, see you later. I have my marker and magnet in here, and so I put cover in this one too so that the sticker, it won't dried up so much or something. So I got this let's see if my sticker. Anyway, I just have this so that I cover up so that I don't get the glue or something like that from the. I have a round one. I also have this sticker, the white one, and this one is not a sticker, just a bond paper that I cut, and I write down if I found 14 karat and stuff, and some in here are not real gold, but there's a name in it, and so I separate it, so I just write down name in here at okay guys, see you later, have a good night.